Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable IPv6 for PXE network boot option on Microsoft Surface Pro 5. To enable IPv6 for PXE network boot option first you need to be in the BIOS. So if you don't know how to do it, there's a video on how to enter BIOS on this tablet. And when that's done, just go into boot configuration. Then you can enable or disable IPv6 for PXE network. And also to boot from PXE network, you need to have that enabled in the boot order. You can also change the boot order if you want. Or if you want to boot from that immediately, just swipe left on the device and then click on OK, and it will boot from this device immediately. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.